Hey there, moneymakers! In our last video, we gave you a bird's eye view of DeFi. Now, it's time to roll up our sleeves and get practical. Today, we're diving into passive income strategies on the TON blockchain. Why TON? Well, it's like having a Swiss Army knife right in your pocket. The wallet's built into the Telegram app, making it a breeze to use. Buying crypto with regular money, as easy as ordering a pizza. Now, let's talk about the elephant in the room. KYC, or Know Your Customer. With traditional systems like PayPal, opening an account feels like applying for a secret agent job. ID checks, proof of address, maybe a DNA sample. Kidding, but you get the point. But TON Wallet in Telegram? It's refreshingly simple. You've already got a Telegram account? Congrats, you're halfway there. The basic TON Wallet requires no additional KYC. It's like walking into a store and buying a candy bar, quick and painless. For higher limits or certain services, you might need to verify your identity. But even then, it's usually faster and less intrusive than traditional finance. It's this blend of simplicity and privacy that makes TON stand out in the crowded crypto space. Plus, the TON ecosystem is growing faster than a teenager in a growth spurt. So let's explore how you can put your TON to work while you sleep, with real examples and numbers you can use today. Staking USDT. Let's kick things off with a juicy opportunity. Staking USDT. Imagine putting your money in a turbocharged savings account. Right now, there's a limited time offer that's hard to ignore. Here's the deal. 50% APY for the first 2 weeks. 25% APY for the following 2 weeks. Maximum stake, $3,000. Let's crunch some numbers. For a $3,000 stake, first 2 weeks, $3,000, 50%, 2 of 52, 57.69. Next 2 weeks, $3,000, 25%, 2 of 52, $28.85. Total earnings over 4 weeks, 86.54. That's like getting a free fancy dinner just for parking your USDT for a month. How to do it? Open your TON wallet in Telegram. Navigate to the staking section. Choose USDT Staking. Enter your stake amount, up to $3,000. Confirm and watch your USDT grow. Remember, this is a limited time offer. The rates will likely drop after this promotion. Also, while your USDT is staked, you can't use it for other purposes. So, only stake what you can afford to set aside for a month. This opportunity gives you a taste of DeFi's potential without diving into riskier waters.
Feels good? Yeah.
Liquidity Provision on Dust. Liquidity Provision is like running a mini Forex booth in the digital world. You provide 2 types of currency, and every trade earns you a fee. Let's look at a real example on Dust. Here's how it works. Visit Dust at https://ddust.io pools. Connect your TON wallet. Choose the TON USDT pool. Let's say you want to provide $1,000 worth of liquidity. Deposit 500 USDT. Deposit an equivalent value in TON. Now let's talk numbers. Current annual percentage rate, APR, a whopping 65%. Your potential annual earnings, 650, 65% of 1,000. Monthly earnings, about 54.17. Sounds incredible, right? But hold your horses. There's a catch called impermanent loss. Let's break it down. If TON price doubles, your $1,000 liquidity position could become $930 instead of $1,250 if you'd held the token separately. But here's the silver lining. You're earning those juicy 65% APR fees, which can not only offset this loss, but potentially surpass it. For example, in just 2 months, you'd earn about $108 in fees. This could already cover the $70 impermanent loss from our doubling price scenario. Remember, high APRs often signal higher risk or volatility. Always consider both the potential rewards and the risks. Impermanent loss can bite, but with these high fees, you've got a strong cushion. As always, do your own research and invest responsibly. Provide liquidity, Click Add Liquidity on the dust. Enter the amounts for both TON and USDT, approve the transaction in your wallet, confirm, and start earning. Remember, while your tokens are in the pool, they're locked up. Don't use funds you might need in a hurry. And always keep an eye on price movements to manage your impermanent loss risk. This strategy can be a great way to earn passive income, especially in pairs with stable trading volume. Just make sure you understand the risks before diving in. And there you have it, folks. We've covered 2 solid ways to earn passive income with TON, USDT Staking and Liquidity Provision. Remember, while these opportunities can be lucrative, they come with risks. Always do your own research and never invest more than you can afford to lose. In our next video, we'll explore even more ways to put your crypto to work. Stay tuned and happy earning. Disclaimer: this video is for educational purposes only and does not constitute financial advice. Cryptocurrency investments are volatile and high risk. Always conduct your own research before making any investment decisions.